Hi, welcome to Running Coalescence, and I'm Mitchell, and I wanted to share with you guys a metaphor today. And I've used this metaphor for years, and to tell you the truth, I can't tell you if I created it or if I was told it years ago and I just don't remember who told me it. But one thing that we always wonder is how much should we work out? How often? How intensely? How much should we push? And there's a lot of debate around this about how much time and rest and all this other stuff. But here's the metaphor. We have to set back to a certain time period back into the Romans and the ancient Greeks. And they had these big warships that had all these rowers in it. And they didn't go very fast, but just for the sake of storytelling, we're going to say 14 knots. Now, I don't know if that's a realistic speed or not. But let's just say like 14 knots was their max speed that they could go. All of the rowers are top-notch trained, and that's the fastest they could go. Well, there was a drummer there, and he would keep the cadence for the rowers, so they would be working in unison together. But it was up to the drummer to go, hey, we need to have some new rowers come in and replace the seasoned rowers. They need to get in shape pretty much. They need to learn how to use the cadence. Well, the drummer would know if he swapped in too many new rowers, the overall speed of the ship would massively reduce. So the trick is to have enough seasoned rowers and then introduce enough new rowers, because now these seasoned rowers don't have to take as much of the workload. The more new rowers there are, they have to do even more, do even more, do even more, and they just physically cannot move the ship at 14 knots anymore. Now it's going to go down to 10, now it's going to go to 8, depending on how many new rowers you have. So that's the balance that these drummers would do. Well, we can take this, we can picture the new rowers as micro tears in the muscle. Now, when you create a micro tear, that cell, that new muscle cell, is it it is connected to a blood vessel, but is it effectively getting nutrients, oxygen? Not necessarily. Is it even in the correct orientation that it wants to finally be in? Or does it need to rotate or push these other cells apart? Is it able to physically even pull in the correct direction? If all of the rest of them are pulling this way, is this guy even assembled in the right direction? Is he even pulling on anything in the first place? So when I say like we need to do training with these new rowers, our cells need to get orientated and corrected once we do a micro tear. This can take a few weeks. It can take 2-3 weeks sometimes. But rowers, it takes them a week or two to also kind of build up that cadence and kind of learn how to work together and start getting their back and their shoulders strong enough to row. So this is the pattern between new cells and old seasoned cells. They can only do so much work. So the more that you push in your training, you're going to be introducing more and more new cells, more and more new rowers, and this is going to cause your overall performance, the speed of the ship to go down, and it's going to decrease. So the trick is, you need to find that spot where you can push yourself, but you're also able to introduce the most amount of new rowers, new cells consistently without having these massive reductions and these long rebounds of recovery times. You just want to push down just a little bit so then you can keep on doing that again and again, depending if you're going to be doing this every day, every other day, every twice a week. That is what you need to use to measure the intensity level of your training. So hopefully this metaphor works for you, because, and again, I don't know if I made this up or if I was told it, but I do kind of have a natural talent for taking a lot of this information and then putting it into some type of a metaphor or one or the other. But this is the first one that I can really remember ever recalling, and I've remembered it since I was a kid. So if you liked this, Please share it with friends, family, teammates, your coach. It means a lot to me to have your support, and I appreciate the ones that are subscribed, even though there's not a lot of us right now. But I do appreciate you guys coming and wanting to see the videos. And I will continue to give you guys what I will say is piece by piece of my knowledge, so we can kind of build the foundation and a platform. So then I know when we start getting into the more advanced subjects, we already have the good concrete foundation to add that and build that on. So as always, thank you for watching the video, and like I already said, please share it with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, help me beat that pesky algorithm, and you guys, as always, take care.